Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back. If you're coming back, my name is Tavisa. I was playing the tutorials, but now I'm creating a journey for myself. So I'm teaching myself to create a game. So my concept of my game, it's more like a apocalyptic world where all people are trying to rebuild their life after I don't know, maybe like the nuclear bomb, anything, anything. So far, I've managed to learn how to move the car. So I'm just gonna show you just a little preview. So the map, I'm still creating it. It's not fully done. As you can see, the background, the mountains are still white, but the ground is already been textured. So I'm just gonna show you the gameplay. So you see my wheels are turning and everything. My car is moving. It's moving backwards, but you can watch it on my phone. So you can just okay. I need to put some mesh render, this is my map. Okay. Okay, so far I still needs to fix because my car still stuck. I'm not, again guys, I'm not a professional programmer, so if you wanna help me on the journey, just take along, guys. I need some friends. Okay, now it's stuck. You see, let me just restart. Let's try another route. Which? Okay, like this. Go like this. Yes, and then yeah, let me see. Ouch. Okay. 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 Let's see our car. Yes, our car. Yeah. Zoom into it. As you can see, it's doing its own thing, but again, nice. Okay, I need to activate my game. So yeah, guys, this is my first preview of my journey. So if you wanna be part of the journey, if you wanna add some ideas or you wanna help me with some coding, let me know, guys. Let me know. Let's build something. I'm using Unity engine and I'm modeling all my models in Blender. So yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe and everything. Thanks. Sure.